Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your voice in ChatGPT app or web version. For this, go to your ChatGPT account, then click on the profile icon. After that, go to settings, then select speech. Now from the voice, change the voice person.
Hey, it's great to meet you. How's your day going? I'm really looking forward to working on some cool stuff together.
Check out the voice sound or accent.
Hello, it's lovely to meet you. If there's anything you need, please don't hesitate to let me know. I'm here to help.
So that's it guys. If this would help you, please give it a like and thanks for watching.